Today we're going to show you how to take the rear door panel off your 2014 Ford Explorer. The tools you'll need for this are a ratchet, extension, and a socket. That's a 7mm, and you'll need a 10mm. Also need a pry tool and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. To begin, you have two screws right down here. One is here and the other one is here. They're 7mm. You have to take those off first, so let's do that. We're going to switch our bit and put on our 10mm. Now you have a 10mm here, right here where my finger is, and you have a second 10mm behind this black plastic piece. I'm going to get my flathead in here and I'm just going to pry it out. There we go. And there we go. So that one's out. That's supposed to be that way. No need for a pry tool. Just get your finger in there, right here, and pull up, and that comes right out. And we'll start on this one. All right, there we go. Second one down here. Now that you have all your screws out, let's take this panel off right here. Just put your fingers over here and pull on it, and it should come right out. It's 3 clips. If you can't use your fingers, use a pry tool. Come over to the side over here where your door is, and you can feel a little bit of a gap. And just pull on it like that, and just keep pulling from the bottom until you get it over here. Alright, now your panel is basically ready to come off. Your lock mechanism is actually inside of a tube, so you have to lift it up. Use your hand. And pull it out. Now, so we want to have access. We want to take this whole panel off. This comes out, this slides out. There's a clip right here. See this? Press that clip in, right, and it'll come out like this. Twist it like this. Pull it through. Now you have that off. Down here, this is your power and your radio. It's a green clip. So unplug the green clip. It's right there. Press this tab right here and pull it out. Now you have removed your door panel, and you have easy access to the inside of your door. Apparently someone's been working on ours. There's usually a plastic piece of paper there and a plug right here. Now we're going to put it back. I would suggest starting with this first, right here. Hook that up. And here, clip in. Okay. Get your door handle. Slide it back through. And all you have to do is just press it in. You'll hear it clip like that. Now you do have to line it up with your lock mechanism here, and you can see there's a bit of a tube that it goes through. So you can do that. So you're starting at the top. And get your hand, feel that. Okay. And it does hang on the lip here. So when you get it on, it's inside. There is a lip. You hang it on the lip. Okay, now that the top is on, you just start putting your clips back in. Let's get our screws at the bottom. Okay, that one's in. And start that one. Just thread it in there, like that. Just like that. Cover back on. Hear that snap in. Get our trim. Last thing you do is put your trim on. Just line up the holes right there. You'll hear it snap in. And that's how you change out your door panel on your 2014 Ford Explorer. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.